In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the smoothing tool. The smoothing tool interacts with other tools. So I'm going to switch to the pen tool really quickly, and I'm going to make a jagged curve. So I've created this jagged curve. The smoothing tool is located here with the shaper tool, the pencil tool, and the path eraser tool. It looks like a pencil with spirals around it, and it's supposed to look like a little rolled up piece of paper, just like how traditional artists would use a rolled up piece of paper to smooth out pencil marks. The smoothing tool, what it does is when you use the selection tool to select a particular path or shape, when you use the smoothing tool, you're going to click and drag over the path. And what it'll do is it'll start simplifying the path, trying to create the smoothest and most accurate version of that path. And now you can see I had to click several times and I had to move it a bunch, but it cleaned out that entire path. So when you're tracing things and you start building things a little bit not overly accurate, using the smoothing tool can help you to reshape that overall tool. Now note, it is an auto tool, a tool that just tries to guess at what you're going at based off of where you're smoothing and clicking around. So it's not as accurate as going through with the convert anchor point tool or the direct select tool to move things around, but it can be very helpful for smoothing out just little things because it gives it a little bit of a curve and it reduces some of the extra anchors. So that is the smoothing tool.